Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to scan Amazon QR code. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Amazon Shopping app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to scan Amazon QR code, here you can see the search bar at the top. And in the right hand side of the search bar, you can see the camera icon. Tap on it. Tap on allow access. And there you go. It will open up the camera app. Now you can scan the Amazon QR code. If it's a barcode, here you can select the barcode option too. And you can scan the barcode of the Amazon products. So that's it. That's how you can scan Amazon QR code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.